Hi, it's Kent Barber here from Game Logic Design. Today I'm going to take you through the physics system in 4D Publish. So the physics system allows you to have rigid body animation for any version of Cinema 4D that you might have. So what we're going to do now is just create a basic setup. So what I'm going to do is create a plane. I'm going to make this about 4,000 by 4,000. And then I'm going to create a bunch of cubes. And I'm going to stack them all up above each other here, very roughly, just to make something that kind of looks a bit interesting. And I'm going to duplicate all those cubes. First I'll offset them all. So offset them all by a little teeny tiny bit, just so that we get some interesting kind of animation happening as they fall. And now I'll select them all. And I'm going to duplicate that. And then I might duplicate that again, just so we have something interesting. Okay, now we need to add physics to them, so we just select everything in our scene, right click, go to 4D Publish Tags, and go to Rigid Body Tag. And now we press play, and this is going to automatically start doing what it should be doing. We might need a little bit more frames on there, so we'll go to 150, and we'll just see what that looks like now. So what it's done is every single tag is set to collision type automatic by default, so cubes will get a cube collision, and the plane will get a static floor collision. You could also use a floor object instead of a plane as well, and it will do the exact same thing. Okay, so that's it for now for demonstrating this. There's a lot of other options, but we'll go through those later. But just to follow on, just for those people who have 3D PDF, the Pro version, you can come up to create a new PDF. You can add a new page. You can put a view onto your page. And we'll create a camera, and we'll put that on here as well. And now we've got our scene. And now we want to actually export out the animation as well. So to do that, you need to create a button. So make sure you got your 3D view selected there. Select the button. And we're just going to draw a little button just right here. And we will give it the text. Play. And under the options, we want to export animation. And we want to export object animation. And we want 150 keyframes. We know we're going from 0 to 150, so that's pretty easy to do. And we're good to go now. So we just come up to PDF, we'll export that out. Export it out. You can see as it exports, it'll export the animation for all the individual objects themselves. We click open. Here's our file. Trust it. Click on here. And there's our scene. Now we just click play, and we're going to see the physics animation that you just created in a 3D PDF. This is a one-stop go. If you wanted this to continue in loop, you could also do that as well. You could come in and you can change the options on the button under here to loop if you felt like, or reverse, ping pong. Okay, so that's the PDF side of it, and there's the simple physics system there, and we'll go over things in more detail in another video. Thanks.